How to get 70% off United Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in United Airlines coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com, as this is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for United Airlines. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 20% off, $75 off, $200 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at United Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your stays or flights, and then proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for United Airlines. Lastly, head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers for United Airlines. So this is how you can easily get up to 70% off working coupon code for United Airlines. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.